We are proud to show you the new Lama technology for hydrogen peroxide solution with the deep vacuum technology, which allows the full penetration and the deeper penetration of hydrogen peroxide into the widest variety of packaging and the most effective sterilization of the product. The deeper penetration of hydrogen peroxide and its coat process is, for example, the new solution for the sterilization of prosthesis of various materials and for different surgical applications. In fact, the deep and the perfect sterilization is granted in the most inner parts and pores of a product with a complex design and complex geometry. The products are usually sterilized inside their packaging, and the hydrogen peroxide, thanks to the deep vacuum, is able to penetrate inside the packaging into the surface like Tyvek and sterilize the environment inside and the external surface of the product. This feature can be, for example, easily applied on pre-filled and packaged syringes, which are already sterilized and can be packaged in a non-classified clean room. This process, in fact, is done in a not classified area, and the hydrogen peroxide, thanks to the deep vacuum, is able to maintain and guarantee the sterile environment inside the packaging. The most important features of this process is that now the packaging can be performed in a non-classified area, while until now this type of process, this type of packaging shall be done in a classified room or in a septic room. I show you another example of a thermolabile product. In this case, the process is cold, and so we can perform the sterilization, the treatment, also on this type of product. In this case, we have, for example, an applicator used in surgical devices, and thanks to the deep vacuum, we are able to treat the air inside the packaging without damage the product. As I told before, I show you another example of the treatment that can be applied on the prosthesis for implants of various materials and for different medical applications, like ankles, elbow, and knees. What is important in this type of treatment is that the hydrogen peroxide, thanks to the deep vacuum, is able to reach the most inner parts and also of this type of product, which have a complex geometry and design. Another application is the thermo-sensitive surgical kit. For example, in this case, we have a complex surgical kit with a different material inside a Tyvek packaging. And the hydrogen peroxide is able to sterilize completely all the products. Even if the hydrogen peroxide sterilization is a cold process and is the perfect solution for thermosensitive materials, it can be applied on steel and metal tools like this one, and can replace the most classic treatment of sterilization, such as the steam. The sterilization cycle works without any consumables. There are no airflow in the chamber for the degassing phase, and it does not impact on the HVAC system. The Lama Hydrogen Peroxide process with the deep vacuum is an extremely fast process and fully validable, with a low hydrogen peroxide consumption, cycle repeatability, time and cost saving.